In the ever-evolving world of power tools, cordless miter saws have emerged as a game-changer for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. These versatile and portable saws offer unparalleled convenience, allowing you to tackle various cutting tasks with precision and ease. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the best 5 cordless miter saws on the market, delving into their features, performance, and suitability for different applications. Whether you're a contractor, woodworker, or avid home renovator, this video aims to provide you with valuable insights to make an informed decision when choosing the best 5 cordless miter saw for your needs. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Miter Saw. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Miter Saw DCS361M1 is a powerhouse in the world of cordless miter saws, boasting impressive performance and durability. Equipped with a 714-inch blade and DeWalt's renowned 20V Max battery system, this saw delivers the cutting prowess you'd expect from a corded model, while offering the convenience of cordless operation. The saw's brushless motor technology ensures superior runtime and durability, enabling you to tackle even the most demanding projects with ease. The dual bevel design allows for bevel cuts up to 48 degrees left and right, expanding your cutting versatility and enabling you to create intricate cuts and trim work with precision. One of the standout features of the DeWalt DCS361M1 is its miter detent override, which allows you to adjust the miter angle with ease, ensuring precise cuts every time. The integrated LED cutline blade positioning system enhances visibility and accuracy, ensuring your cuts are perfectly aligned even in low light conditions. Number 2. Makita XSL06PT 18VX2LXT Lithium-ion 36V Brushless Cordless Miter Saw Kit. Makita's XSL06PT 18VX2LXT Lithium-ion 36V Brushless Cordless Miter Saw Kit is a true powerhouse in the cordless miter saw market. This saw combines the convenience of cordless operation with the cutting prowess of a 36V brushless motor, delivering exceptional performance and versatility for even the most demanding cutting applications. At the heart of the Makita XSL06PT is its innovative dual 18V lithium-ion battery system, which provides a combined 36V of power. This powerful battery configuration, coupled with the saw's brushless motor technology, offers increased runtime, longer tool life, and improved cutting efficiency, ensuring you can tackle even the toughest materials with ease. One of the standout features of the Makita XSL06PT is its dual bevel capability, which allows you to perform bevel cuts up to 48 degrees left and an impressive 60 degrees right. This expanded bevel range opens up a world of possibilities for intricate trim work, crown molding installations, and other complex cutting tasks. Number 3. Milwaukee 273420M18 Fuel Cordless Miter Saw. The Milwaukee 273420M18 Fuel Cordless Miter Saw is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and performance. Powered by the renowned M18 fuel battery system, this saw delivers impressive cutting capabilities while offering the convenience of cordless operation. At the core of the Milwaukee 273420 is the M18 fuel battery system, which provides superior runtime and performance, ensuring you can tackle even the most demanding projects without worrying about battery life. The saw's brushless motor technology further enhances its efficiency and durability, providing reliable performance even under heavy loads. One of the standout features of the Milwaukee 273420 is its dual bevel capability, allowing for bevel cuts up to 48 degrees left and right. This versatility in cutting angles enables you to tackle a wide range of trim work, crown molding installations, and other complex cutting tasks with ease. The saw also features an integrated LED cutline blade positioning system, which enhances visibility and accuracy, ensuring precise cuts every time. Number 4. Skillsaw SPT7V015 amp 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. The Skillsaw SPT7V015 amp 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw is a corded powerhouse that offers exceptional cutting capabilities and versatility for professional and DIY applications. With its large 12-inch blade and dual bevel design, this saw is well suited for demanding cutting tasks on various materials including hardwood, softwood, and even non-ferrous metals. Powered by a robust 15-amp dual-field motor, the Skillsaw SPT7V015 delivers ample cutting power to tackle even the toughest materials with ease. The saw's 12-inch blade size allows for deeper and wider cuts, expanding its versatility and enabling you to handle larger workpieces with confidence. One of the standout features of the Skillsaw SPT7V015 is its dual bevel capability, which allows you to perform bevel cuts up to 48 degrees left and 48 degrees right. This increased bevel range opens up a world of possibilities for intricate trim work, crown molding installations, and other complex cutting tasks that require angled cuts. Number 5. Metabo HPT was Hitachi Power Tool C3610 Dra 10-inch compound miter saw. The Metabo HPT was Hitachi Power Tool C3610 Dra 10-inch compound miter saw is a powerful and reliable option for those seeking a combination of performance, accuracy, and durability. With its 10-inch blade and compound miter capabilities, this saw is well suited for a wide range of cutting applications, making it an excellent choice for both professional and die use. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor, the Metabo HPT C3610 Dra delivers ample cutting power to handle various materials, including hardwood, softwood, and even some non-ferrous metals. The saw's 10-inch blade size offers a good balance between cutting capacity and maneuverability, allowing you to tackle a wide range of projects with ease. One of the standout features of the Metabo HPT C3610 Dra is its compound miter capability, which enables you to perform compound miter cuts. This versatility in cutting angles allows for intricate and complex cuts on workpieces, making it an ideal choice for trim work, crown molding installations, and other detailed woodworking projects. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.